You all know I'm the Owala queen. I have multiple Owalas, and I just got this new one from Dick's Sporting Goods. This is also a new color. I believe they had it out for a month or so. It's this really pretty like blue, navy kind of blue color, but also has like bright to it. It has some pink. This tan kind of throws it off, but still really cute, and then also it has some purple. I love these water bottles because you see that little sipper part? You may just think it's like a normal water bottle where you chug it, but it actually is a straw connected, so you can just sip it like so. These are really convenient water bottles for school, maybe even sports, and really to bring on road trips or anywhere. They don't spill like Stanley's because they have a nice function, so when you're carrying it around, you don't have to worry about it dripping like so everywhere you go. So I really like this one, and I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. All the walls are 10 out of 10. It doesn't really matter the color, they're just really convenient, functional water bottles. Check these out as soon as you can. Bye, guys.